It is Friday morning, and let's talk about the tropics and specifically our area over northern Florida and southeast Georgia. From the National Hurricane Center, still showing a low chance of tropical cyclone development. In fact, this hasn't changed much in the past 48 hours. 0% chance in the next 48 hours and 20% in the next 7 days. One thing that has changed is we are starting to see some cloud cover work its way across parts of the Gulf. This area, as far as where it's located, has shifted a little bit further towards the west, and so is some of the model guidance. Meanwhile, there's another area off the coast of Africa, just noting that dry air and Saharan dust is going to rip that apart. Let's come back closer to home here across the first coast, where this high pressure ridge is going to start to weaken, and we start to begin to get kind of this big troughing across the first coast, which is going to increase rainfall Sunday and into Monday. Fairly confident on that. Now, how much and exactly how strong this area could develop, if it develops at all, I know there's lots of ifs and coulds here, is still on the table here. For example, I just showed you the GFS, which kind of keeping this relatively weak. Then we have our high resolution in-house model. Now, this is the one we typically use here at First Coast News where we're talking about our day-to-day thunderstorms. And this is being extremely aggressive on it, actually showing a full-on storm system off of the coast of Tampa. At the very least, a big tropical low, which would increase the rainfall, especially for the west coast of Florida, around Tampa, out towards the Big Bend area. Could even be seeing several inches of precipitation. This is still 72 hours out, and there could be some changes, but I do believe by Sunday and the Monday, the west coast, if you have any plans, maybe you're heading out to Steenhatchee or somewhere like that, probably not going to be the best bet. Anytime we're talking about models, though, especially when we're several days out, though, there is that uncertainty, just something I want you to keep in mind, especially since we don't, and I can't stress this enough, have an organized low at this time. There is some uncertainty, but it does look more and more, at the very least, like a tropical low developing out there in the Gulf, bringing moisture on shore and impacting us here on the first coast, which is why Sunday and Monday we still have a weather impact alert in place. Make sure you have those backup plans out there and you're just ready to go. But yeah, increasing rainfall by the end of the weekend over towards Monday. Low chance still of tropical development, and lots can and will change in this extended forecast. I'm meteorologist Robert Spett. Of course, we're going to continue to keep you posted.